Welcome. I'm Zack Warren with Velocity Insight.
Hi, I'm Michael Hirsch. Welcome to
Intermediate Power BI for SAGA Wisdom. The first question, of course, is, are you in the right class? This is the right class for you if, number one, you have more than about 40 hours worth of hands-on Power BI experience. Number two, you want to be a productive analyst of data or author of reports. Number three, if you have an industrial background. I come from Upstream Oil and Gas, but other industries would probably find benefit here as well.